Hello, Mr. Paul. I'm Mihira, the triage nurse. Can you please describe your father's symptoms?
My father has been complaining of chest pain and shortness of breath. It started a few hours ago.
Is the pain sharp or dull? Does it radiate to other parts of your father's body?
It's a sharp pain that seems to radiate to his left arm.
Has he experienced any other symptoms, such as nausea, dizziness, or sweating?
Yes, Mihira, he's been feeling a little nauseous and dizzy.
We'll need to assess your father's vital signs and conduct some tests to determine the cause of his symptoms. Have you noticed any changes in his heart rate or breathing?
He seems to be breathing a little faster than usual.
We'll need to monitor his condition closely and be prepared to provide immediate medical attention if necessary.
MIHIRAA, regarding the recommendation for a PICC line for Emily, I wanted to outline the primary benefits we anticipate. Firstly, a PICC line is often the most effective method for administering treatments such as medications or intravenous fluids, as it provides a reliable and consistent pathway directly into a larger vein. This can be particularly advantageous for ensuring the full dose of Emily's treatment is delivered effectively. Secondly, a significant advantage of a PICC line is the substantial reduction in the number of needle punctures Emily will experience. Instead of requiring a needle each time medication is needed, the PICC line remains in place for the duration of her treatment, minimizing discomfort. This reduction in needles is directly linked to the third key benefit, which is a significant decrease in stress and anxiety for Emily related to her treatments. Less frequent needle sticks can make the entire process considerably less distressing for children, contributing to a more positive and comfortable treatment experience overall.